Everyone, this is KJ from Vlogs, a Filipino rapper based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will do another reaction video from SB19. This is the third time, my God, bigla akong binigla ng SB19 YouTube channel for today's video kasi meron silang linabas na pagtatag documentary film teaser. My goodness gracious. Ipapalabas ata to, if I'm not mistaken. Nakita ko lang ngayon sa X na ipapalabas siya on August this year. So, meron tayong mga 3 to 4 months ata, if I'm not mistaken. 3 to 4 months. So, nakalagay dito eto nakakaloka lang. Kasi, I wasn't something like planning to make a reaction video to this one. Kasi, ang akala ko lang talaga, this one is something like a vlog ng kanilang mga tours abroad or dito sa Pilipinas and whatnot. Pero nang nabasa ko ito ang sabi sa tweet, SB19 has been through quite the journey with their pagtatag era, from planning their comeback to overcoming internal challenges and establishing their own company. It's evident that they truly embodied the spirit of resilience and determination. It's inspiring, which is really, really true. It's inspiring to see how they've faced these obstacles head on and come back even stronger than before. Their journey reflects the essence of pagtatag, showcasing their ability to persevere, to thrive despite the challenges they've encountered. So this is a documentary film by Jed Regala, produced by 1Z Entertainment First Light Studio. So basically, they will get, for sure, rest assured talaga that they will gonna tell us a story that we didn't know all throughout their journey. Especially doon sa sunod-sunod na nag-cancel ang kanilang pagtatag tour. Right? Actually, I myself, even nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi I've been a fan. And this is, for your information, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, this is the first boy group that I stan talaga. The SB19. Actually, when I first made a reaction video to them, it's just like, hindi ko pa sila masyado na-appreciate. Ganon. Pero, as time goes by, during the pandemic that time, sumisigaw pang ako sa subdivision namin na, ilalabas na yung Ikaku, something like that. I don't know. Basta, din yun maraming retweets yun sa X before. And, hindi mo talaga kalain na kasi ang ganda ng journey nila Di ba? We have to be honest talaga. Ang ganda ng journey nila from the management and everything. From the SBT, tama ba ako? And all throughout their career, ang ganda talaga. It's just nagulan na lang ako talaga na merong mga chika na ganito, kumalas na sila, wala na sila doon and everything. Tapos may mga kasuhan pa nangyayari about kung sino ba talaga ang may-ari ng SB19 na pangalan and everything. Actually, hindi na ako aware sa mga specific details, should I say, about that. Pero, eto na nga, this is the day talaga, yung hinihintay natin na we have to see, excuse me, yung kanilang mga shortcomings and overcomings, yung kanilang mga challenges na hinarap na hindi natin alam as a fan. Dito natin makikita. And I'm really, really excited to make a reaction video to the pagtatag documentary film teaser. So yeah, I won't take any longer. I'm really, really excited about this. Oh my God, gracious. Napaiyak ako ni Stel nang gumawa ako ng reaction video sa nilang pagtatag finale. Tapos, si Ken din, napaiyak din ako somehow. Medyo hindi naman totally umiyak, pero kung meron yung puso ko. And this one, may saging ako. I-prepare na lang natin yung self natin. This is Ken, banana, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Sana ilalabas din nila to sa Netflix, no?
Check.
I love it. Very docu ang datingan.
I think mas magiging masaya mamaya kasi nga ganito yung setup, walang upuan.
Mahirap
Ay, walang
towards big things.
walang
puso yung
upuan.
passion and everything.
Ay, wait lang. Grabe, no? Feeling, if I'm not mistaken, this one is one of their shows abroad. Tapos walang upuan. Grabe, no? Right after, before pa pala sila mag-soundcheck, si Papi talaga, or siguro, before mag-concert, isa si Pablo sa mga nag-ocular. Can you imagine that? Na ang pagod and stress and pressure na magpe-perform ka, pinaghandaan mo, tapos ikaw pa mag-ocular ng venue. Ngayon ko lang nalaman to, totoo. Kasi dito, sa frame na to,
Siguro I think
nag-ocular siya
Kasi nga ganito yung setup, walang upuan.
Diba?
Mahirap yung journey towards
Hirap na
big
mahirap.
things. Yun na yung puso, yung passion and everything.
Parang
si Pablo
step by
talaga.
step talaga siya eh.
Naiyak na ako dun. Naiyak na ako dun. Pag si Pablo talaga yung mga salita, alam mo yung parang pag sinabi mong nahihirapan, totoo, mahirap na talaga. Ganun, umiga, naiyak ako. Sorry.
Towards big things. Yun na yung puso, yung passion and everything.
Parang step by step talaga siya eh.
Dun bakit naramdaman ko dun kay ano?
perform ka, hindi mo alam kung sino yung manonood sa'yo.
Naramdaman ko ng kurot
Yun yung
kay
mga kalaban
Pablo.
namin dito.
Oh, bakit ako naiiyak? No, totoo naiiyak ako. Ang luha ko na dito.
Every time I step on stage, sobrang kabado ako palagi.
Ay.
Parang feeling ko, hindi ko na na-enjoy mag-perform.
Oh my God! Hindi ko alam bakit ako naiiyak. OA na kung OA. Sigawan. Oh my God, ilang oras kaya to? 2 oras kaya itong docu nila.
Baka hindi talaga to for me. Akala ko sabay-sabay kami magkakasama. Tapos biglang,
Ay!
hindi pala.
Oh, bakit? Bakit?
But we're very happy na na-overcome namin yun.
Hmm.
Sobrang namomotivate pa kami na gawin pa yung mga gusto namin gawin and i-achieve pa yung greatest heights na gusto pa namin maabot.
Maabot yung kung ano man yung gusto namin gawin. Yun yung pinaka-importante.
Oh my God, every time that I'm hearing their voices at salita, it's just like, it reminds me of a pandemic era. Hindi po alam mo yung lahat, stress. Actually, isa sila sa mga nakatulong talaga sa akin. Alam mo, dati hindi ako naniniwala na, oh my God, tinulungan mo ko na overcome ko yung mga iniisip ko, yung anxiety ko, yung depression ko. Dati hindi ako naniniwala sa ganun, lalo ng mga K-pop. Tapos, nang sila na, tinulungan talaga ako through their music, through my reaction videos, through watching them. Wala, na-overcome ko talaga siya. Liham. Is that San Bernardo? I think that is San Bernardo. Ah, ang gwapo ni Josh. Sana may trailer, no? Sana may trailer. Pagtatag. Oh my God. I cannot wait to watch this. Sana available dito sa Saudi. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Na pagtatag na commentary film teaser. Woo! This is KJ Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!